Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Tezos with Binance US, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring Tezos with Binance US, you'll first want to log into your Binance US account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section on the home page. In the wallet section, look for Spot Wallet to find your available cryptocurrencies. Locate Tezos in your asset list. If you don't see Tezos, use the search bar for quicker access. Click on the Withdraw button next to Tezos. You will be directed to a page for withdrawal details. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's Tezos wallet address. Double-check the wallet address to ensure it's accurate. Next, specify the amount of Tezos you want to transfer. Be aware of any minimum withdrawal limits that may apply. After entering the amount, review the network fee associated with the withdrawal. This fee is automatically calculated and displayed. Make sure you have enough Tezos to cover both the withdrawal amount and the fee. Once everything looks correct, you can confirm the transaction. You may be prompted to complete a security verification step, such as two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. After verification, submit your withdrawal request. Your Tezos transfer will now be processed, which may take a few minutes. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Transaction History section of your wallet. Once the transfer is successful, the Tezos will be sent to the recipient's wallet address. Ensure to notify the recipient that the transfer is on its way. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer Tezos using Binance US. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.